Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit an anime video with vibrant color and also a vibration shake flash effect on CapCut. So for the vibrant color, you need to go to adjust and use this setting. So first increase the brightness into 8, then increase the contrast of your video into 12. Click on saturation and increase it into 50. And then exposure 11. Then click on sharpen and increase it into 40. And then after that you can click on add cell and then adjust each color, adjust it to your liking. For example, I want to adjust the blue color in here. I'm going to add saturation, for example, and you can just adjust it into the color that exists in the video. And after that, just click on the check icon and use this adjustment for all of the clips. And then after that, for the vibration flash and shake, you need to go to the video effects and then click on the nightclub tab, then find the vibration flash. Okay, this one, click on the check icon and then adjust it like this and copy it and apply it to every beginning of the video. Okay, and then next, for the shake effect, you need to go to video effect and then go to the click on the nightclub tab again and find shake. Click on the check icon and short it, trim it so that it's short like the first effect you add. I'm going to copy it and place it at the bottom, and it will go like this. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful, so please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.